Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your ShopPay account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open ShopPay, which is on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on your profile, which you see on the top right hand side. Click on it and scroll a bit down and find Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings and you can see Data and Privacy. Tap on it and you can see Delete Account. Go ahead and tap on Delete Account, and now it will tell you when you delete your account, Shop will delete your email and phone number. This action cannot be undone. If you are sure you want to delete your account, go ahead and click on Delete Account and it will ask you again. Once deleted, your data will be lost. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Go ahead and click Delete Account once again, and there you go. You have successfully deleted your account. Now, if you want to create a new account, you cannot do this with the same old account. You will need to write down another email or Gmail and log into another account. So guys, this is how easy it is to delete your ShopPay account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.